Hi, Mommy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. And we hope you like your lilies. I heard Daddy sent you lilies dekat your room in your hotel kat Beijing, and we hope that you are in great health kat sana.
Panjang umur, rezeki. Thank you very much for granting us the opportunity to be here again.
Yes.
Without you, we tak sampai sini.
Thank you for everything. You are a superwoman, supermom.
And yes, people over here, my lord, they say your habits have rubbed down on me. Yes, it shows.
It's safe to know that Daniel is very neat over here, apparently, according to his floor mates, Yerka. And everything's fine and everyone's doing alright. Hopefully you enjoy your trip over there, and inshallah, we hope to see you soon. So take care. We love you. Bye. Oh, and we sent you a birthday card. Ada dekat. It's supposed to arrive on the 18th, but I don't think you got it. We sent you, but hopefully you will get it masa you balik Malaysia nanti. I think it's with that right now. So take care. Love you.